Most people believe they understand themselves. They believe their decisions are logical, their judgments are fair, their reactions are justified, and their thoughts are accurate. But what if I told you, almost everything you think, everything you judge, everything you believe, is quietly shaped by invisible forces you don't even notice? Your mind is not a single voice. It is two minds, constantly fighting for control. One mind is fast, impulsive, emotional, automatic. It reacts before you even realize something happened. The other mind is slow, careful, analytical. It thinks deeply, but only when forced. And here's the shocking truth. The fast mind makes most of your decisions. The slow mind only comes in to justify them. This is why you misjudge people so quickly. Why first impressions feel so real. Why you trust your intuition even when it's wrong. Why you fear some risks and ignore others. Why you believe your memory is accurate, even though it constantly lies to you. Think about this. Why do you feel confident about things you barely know? Why do you regret decisions you made in seconds? Why do you buy things you don't need? Why does your brain jump to conclusions just from one sentence, one number, one expression? It's because your fast mind, System 1, is always creating shortcuts. Shortcuts that feel true, but often aren't. A single number can anchor your entire judgment. One story can change your view of a person. A single negative comment can overshadow months of progress. One emotional moment can turn into a lifelong belief. And your slow mind, System 2, believes everything without question. It creates a story that feels clean, logical, and safe. Even if the story is completely wrong, you're not making decisions logically. You're reacting emotionally. And your rational brain is just the narrator who explains your reactions later. This is why human beings overthink. Why we underestimate danger. Why we overestimate our abilities. Why we fear loss more than we value gain. Why we trust memories that never happen the way we think. Why we get manipulated by marketing, by news, by people, even by our own moods. Your mind runs on shortcuts, cognitive ease, anchoring, priming, illusions of confidence, illusions of understanding, availability bias, framing effects, loss aversion. These shortcuts shape everything: your career, your relationships, your finances, your happiness, your self-worth. But here's the powerful part. You can learn to see these shortcuts. You can learn to catch your mind in the act, when it jumps, guesses, assumes, or reacts too fast. And once you do, your entire life changes. You become calmer, clearer, more rational, more aware, more in control. This book, Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman, is not just a book. It is a mirror, a deep, uncomfortable, and life-changing mirror that shows you how your mind truly works. It reveals why you think the way you do, and how you can think better. If you've ever wanted to understand your own mind, if you've ever wanted to stop making the same mistakes, if you've ever wanted more clarity, more control, more self-mastery, you need to hear this summary. I've broken down this entire book, chapter by chapter, concept by concept, in the simplest way possible, with examples, psychological insights, and actionable lessons. So take a moment, take a breath, and get ready to see your mind from the inside out. Watch the full summary on Top Summary. Your transformation starts with understanding how you think.